Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to share to you my experiences in how to repair a smartphone that is not charging. So as you can see, my smartphone is not you connect the charging. If you use the your phone and the battery drain to the last drop, and you charge it, and you can see the logo of charging, but do not continue. The logo is there, but the charging does not continue to go up. So the battery is fully drained and doesn't accept any charge. So what will we do? What we'll be going to do now is check the battery, and let's check the voltage of the battery, because the battery, if the battery drops below 3 point something, it will not accept any charge at all. So let's set the camera first so that we can see the process. Okay, so first we will be disconnecting the battery from the circuit. I hope you can see it clearly, no? Okay, so we will be disconnecting the battery from the circuit, and we will pull out the terminal, and we will check the battery. So this is the so the battery drops below 3 point or 3 volts. So we will going to put the initial charge to the battery. We will have a external power supply that is adjustable, so we can initially charge or shock the battery. Okay, hope you can see the okay. So this is the terminal, this is the positive, and this is the negative. We will be going to increase the voltage of the battery, so that the charging circuit of the smartphone will detect the battery, and it will start the charging process. Okay, positive, and this is the negative. Okay, we will increase the voltage up to 1 ampere or 600 milliampere. until the battery voltage reaches the threshold of the charging current of the smartphone. So we will be charging it for a while by the external power supply. Oh, my microphone. Okay, hello. So the the voltage is now up at around 3.1 volts, and it's slowly increasing. So as you can see, the current of the I'm using a point 0.6 milliampere and 3.6 volts power supply, so that the battery can be initially charged by the power supply, external power supply. And we'll wait until the charging voltage or the battery voltage increases to the threshold of the charging circuit of the smartphone. So it's slowly charging. Oops, disconnected. So it's now slowly charging, and the current of the external power supply is now dropping to 500 milliamp. You can increase the ampere so that it charges quickly. But you can use that in a small in a short time period, because the battery will overcharge quickly. So now it's now going up. Okay, this is the battery, and this is the battery terminal, and this is the tester probe, and this is the power supply. So you put the negative supply voltage to the negative terminal, and the positive output voltage of the power supply to the positive terminal of the battery. So we'll wait a few more minutes to initially charge the battery. Okay. So it's now increasing the voltage. So it has no effect. It is not warm. So it's okay. Okay, if you have a battery clip on the terminal, you can use it so that you can put up your hands on this pointing this probe to the terminal, because if it hurts if it is too long to handle this in this terminal. So now the current is now dropping to 400. So okay, let's see now the voltage. So the voltage now is 3.5, and let's now check the we'll now put back the battery to the battery terminal. Okay, this is the lock, and now we can try to check the if it is charging. Okay, so now you can see that the battery is now initially charged to about 3%, and the circuit of the smartphone detected that the battery is now in good condition, because lately, before we start charging this, the smartphone cannot detect the battery because it's too low for the threshold of the charging voltage that can be detected by the smartphone. So the smartphone is now continuing the charging process of the battery. So let's now close the smartphone, and we'll be going to charge this for about an hour, and we will see if it's continuing to if it is a if it continues to go up, and it will continue up to the full charge. So okay, now it is 3%. It is slow charging because the capacity of the battery is 400 milliampere hour. So the charging is the charging takes around 2 to 3 hours, I think. Yeah, as you can see, the charging percentage is up to from 3% to 4% now. So it will continually charge itself using the internal charging of the smartphone. So that's it. If you have a problem on your smartphone that is not charging, you can use the technique to recharge first the battery, because some of the smartphone cannot detect the battery if the voltage is too low. So you can you can do it by yourself, and you can do it yourself. You can only use external power supply. Okay, so that's for now. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.